All right. Good morning. All right. Good morning, traders. Welcome to our another live trading edition. So, as usual, I will be analyzing the market and I will be providing signals when I get a good entry opportunity. And today is another day for. Today is another session for the beginner live. So what I'm going to do is I'll make sure that the session is comprehensive and educative and very beginner friendly. All right. So let's go into the chart and start our analysis. So if you've been following my analysis, okay, just a second, guys. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't know I was on a mute. So sorry. All right. So what I showed earlier is the trade I sent to the premium group yesterday. So the trade is still is just triggered, and we are currently running in profit, right? So this is the benefit you get if you join my current, trading competition, the one that I'm currently running. So yeah, now let's continue with the chart. Okay, let's continue with the chart. I also gave the signal, but the market actually, made this move. All right. All right, so let's continue, guys. As you can see, so what we are going to do today is Mori, Arinze, Elijah. Good morning. Hello to you too. You are welcome to our live trading session. I hope you enjoy your stay. So what we are doing here today, this morning, is I'm analyzing the market and looking out for entry opportunity. At the same time, I'm educating everybody here to know how to go about, registering and using the platform. How to, make analysis before taking trades. Okay, so using the platform is going to come on a later date. I've been promising, those that are in my premium group that I'm going to make the video. Just haven't gotten the chance. And then there's a certain number of people that I actually want in the premium group before I actually go ahead and, show how it is done. But yeah, so we have a trading event that I am currently running, and the event requires, wow, we are making profit here, guys. We are making massive profit. Okay, we are making massive profit. Yeah. Yes, we are making profit, honestly. We are making profit. Let me quickly go and update my premium members that we are making profit, and they can start to secure profit anytime soon. All right. Let me go tell them because so that is one of the benefits of being a premium member. Um, yes.
Yes, that's my cinema. Okay. What's your name? I want to return it. I open the door and drop it on the chair. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
All right. So I've updated them and we are currently closing our positions. Reason is because you see, we have a strong reversal from here, and I don't want to be in the market, while the market reverses. So, all right. So, yeah. So that's done. Now let's focus on our business here. Okay. Which is analyzing the market and looking for entry opportunities. So now I'm going to go to gold. Okay. So gold is one of my favorite instrument, that I love to trade a lot. So yesterday I had said we have a liquidity here, but until the market breaks this level, I'm not going to enter for a sell. And you see, the market actually went to the upside. You see, the market went up, okay, to the up direction. And right now, we still don't know if the market is going to come down because the market is currently trying to align itself, after the news event that happened on Friday. So the news actually broke the market to this level. So right now, it's trying to align itself back. All right. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's see how this is doing on the lower time frame. Okay. So on the lower time frame, this actually looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks good. And let's go down to the 1 minute. All right. So on the 1 minute time frame, you can see we have this. So this is going to be our liquidity purge. Right. So our liquidity purge is there. All right. So this is the 1 minute time frame. Now let's go to the 3 minutes time frame. All right. So I expect the market to come to this level. Okay, I expect the market to come to this level and make a reversal from here. Okay. I expect the market to come back to this level and make a retracement back from here to the downside. All right. So okay, I expect the market to come back from here. So this would be my take profit, and this will be my stop loss. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Having some kind of bit of network issue here. All right, so let's continue with our session. Right now, I just need the market to come to this level, and then I would be looking for sell opportunity. Okay. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I got this opportunity here. It's very easy actually. So you see, on the higher time frame, the market is currently on a zone. Okay, so this is the zone, and I expect the market to make a little move to the downside. Though we already had a move, but I expect the market to make another move. Okay, so this is not going to be the only move that the market is going to make. So I expect the market to make another bearish move to the downside before finally breaking this. That is if it's going to break the level. So this is what I expect the market to actually do. We have fair value gaps. We have other blocks here on this level. So I expect the market to, come back to, anywhere around here. Okay. All right. So I expect the market to come into this fair value gap and then make a move from here. So our stop loss is going to be here, and our take profit is going to be at this low. So let's see how the market would react to this level. And as you can see, we've had multiple rejection points. We've had break of structures, which complements our change of character. And then we also have our um, liquidity purge. And then we also have the change of character, which is complementing the liquidity purge. All right. So I expect the market to come here. Yeah, what this market is doing here is actually good for our analysis. So the market is currently trying to uh, give us what the retailers call manipulation. Okay, so a lot of people believe that manipulation is when they set an entry, they set an entry, they set a stop loss, and a take profit, and then the market go to take out their stop loss. They consider that as market manipulation. But trust me, there's nothing like manipulation there. Okay. So it's just the market taking out your liquidity. You just have to be careful as a forex trader. You want to be careful with your analysis, with your entries. You don't want to open position, that you haven't confirmed yet. I'm not saying you're going to get entry positions 100% every time. But if you are, you know, if you are careful enough, you may be able to manage your risk. So we have this level, we have this level, and you see there's rejections here. So the retailers, they are going to believe that the market, anytime the market comes here, the market is going to move back, but the market is just going to take their stop loss and then continue to trade the other way around. All right. All right. So this is going to be the inducement level, and I expect the market to actually make the big move from here. We have this level also, which is uh, our other block zone, but I'm not going to care about this because my take profit is set above. Sorry, my stop loss is set above. My stop loss is set above, and I'm not scared of, what will happen anywhere around here, because I know even if the market comes to this level, it's still going to go down. Okay. So, and here is my take profit. So let's see how the market plays out here. Now let's go to gold. I think we have analysis on gold. Okay. So yes, yesterday I said the market was going to go down. So I made the analysis. Okay. I said the market was going to come to this level and then drop down. And you see what is currently going on in the market. The market actually made a move to the level where it had previously broken, and now the market is making a bearish move. So I sent this analysis to the general group yesterday, and I think the market has already started its bearish move, but we still need to confirm that on the lower time frame. Yes. So let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame to make proper confirmations. So we have this bearish move from here to this end. All right. And then we have the change of character. So we just need the market to come back to this level, retest it, and sell. Okay. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, and you see what is going on here. So this is like a selling market for us, and the market is definitely going to sell. I'm telling you. Okay. So I think I should share this to the general group. All right. So I'm writing out the figures, the take profit, the stop loss, and the entry. All right. All right. Um, so sorry, guys. I didn't realize that I was actually on the mute when I was making all these explanations. Okay. I'm so sorry. We have few more minutes, so I'm just going to explain everything that I've explained earlier. I think our previous analysis was it on XAUUSD? Yeah, yes, it was on XAUUSD where I said the market was going to sell, and I shared the analysis to the general group already. All right. So yeah, don't worry. You're not going to miss anything, okay? Because I'm going to re-explain everything that I've explained on this. Okay, everything that I've previously explained uh, on XAUUSD. All right. All right. So what I did here is very simple. Um, all right. So let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. So what I did here was yesterday I made this analysis. I said the market is going to reject this level. Okay. So if you check the analysis I made for XAUUSD yesterday, it's in the group. You see it. Okay. I said the market was going to get to this level and then reverse to the downside. So now the market actually got to the level and then reversed, but unfortunately, we were not there to enter the trade. Okay. So right now, what we did is we are looking for opportunity to enter from the current price point. All right. And what I did was, I made analysis on this, okay, which is the current price movement. Since I'm expecting the market to go down from here, yeah, we can make analysis and see if we can still enter the trade. And what we got is, you see, so I analyzed the market. I This is my liquidity purge, and then I have the change of character here. So the change of character complements the liquidity purge, and like I always say, anytime we have a change of character, anytime we have a liquidity purge followed by a change of character, it simply means that the market is reversing. Okay, it simply means that the market is reversing. And then we initially have an order block, which is this order block, and the fair value gap below it. And you can see after the reversal, after the change of character, the market went up to retest the order block. All right. So now I set my entry around here, which is where I found the market, where the current market price is. So I took my sell entry from here using this level as my stop loss and then this low as my take profit. Okay. So guys, that was everything I explained here. All right. So that was what I explained here. Initially my stop loss should be here, okay, but I don't want to have a wide stop loss since this is XAUUSD. So what I'm going to do is, if this market takes me out, I'm just going to re-enter when the market is retesting this level, okay, because we have another level here, which is our uh, fair value gap. Okay, so we have the fair value gap level. So if this market, I expect the market to make a rejection. I took an early entry when the market was here. So I expect this market to make a rejection. We still have 11 minutes. So I expect a rejection from here. But if the rejection doesn't happen, I expect the market to come to this level. So yeah, if the market takes us out, we're just gonna re-enter and try to make double of our initial take profit, our initial profit target. Okay, so my entry is going to be there. My take profit will still be on the same level. So this is for my second entry, right? And then my stop loss is going to be here. You see, this is about 6.0 RR. Okay, 6.13 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this trade has already been sent out. If you want to join, you can still join. I believe that the market is still going to make a bearish move. Okay, but if it doesn't make the bearish move and close above this level, what we're going to do is I'm just going to wait for the market to make a retracement before I enter for a sell. All right, I'm just going to wait for the market to get to this point, and then I'm going to take my entry from here. So that was everything I explained. I just summarized everything I explained earlier, when I was muted. All right. So this is the summary of everything I explained. All right. All right. So let's make analysis on another pair. All right. So let's continue with our analysis, guys. Let's make analysis from another. So you see, I already told my premium members to go off this trade. All right. Yes, I told them to go off this trade because we have a huge fair value gap here. And until the market goes above the fair value gap, there's going to be a lot of turbulence. Okay. So there's going to be a lot of trouble on the way. And I don't want a market, that will give us trouble. So I love, market that goes freely. So I already told them to go off this trade, and we are going to re-enter when the market goes above this level. All right. So yeah. Um, okay. We have just few minutes more to the end of our session. So for the session, let's quickly analyze BTC USDT, the crypto instruments, and see if we can get an opportunity to enter. Okay, so I had this analysis on yesterday, but the market failed to come to this level. All right, so instead the market just continued to go down. But the market didn't just go down. Actually, the market actually retested our fair value gap. Okay, so it didn't get to the 50% of the fair value gap, but yeah, it retested the fair value gap anyways. So let's see if we are going to get another possible entry opportunity from here. All right. All right, so here also we have a rejection from this other block. All right, so we have a resistance zone here, and the market had earlier rejected from the other block. So our point of interest now is we want the market. All right, so we have double point of interest here. This fair value gap above is one of them, but I think the market is currently on the lower time frame. Wait, let me just finish with this, then we go to the lower time frame. I want to show you guys something. Because you see, in this forex trading of a thing, you need to be very careful with your decisions. You don't want to, take decision based on, yeah, this is what I think, and then you just place a sell limit or you sell immediately. All right, you want to be careful. You want to, check other time frames to see how they're doing, how they're reacting to the market before you actually, make a decision. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we had this retracement and then followed by a break of structure to the downside. All right. So I think the market is going to make a move from here first, though it might not be a big move, right? But it's definitely going to make a move from here. Okay. and then let me just set it at 1.5. I don't want to go too far. Yes. So it can later break this level, but it's definitely sure going to make a move from here. So this is how you can actually scalp this trade. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the market to get to this point, and I'm going to open a sell position when it does. All right. And if you know it breaks this level to the downside, this is our next point of interest. This is where I will be waiting for the market to get to, and I can now use the overall down lower level as my take profit level. Okay, so you see what we did here. This is for scalping, this is for longer trade. All right, so this scalping here is because I'm very sure that the market will definitely want to make move when it get to this point. The market will get here, but this is not going to be the final destination. Okay, this is not going to be the final destination. The market will go here, and then the market would definitely want to break this level and retreat from this point. All right. So yes. Yeah. So that is the analysis for BTC USDT. All right. That is the analysis for BTC USDT. Okay. All right. So let's quickly analyze BNB USDT. So yesterday I gave this signal. I said BNB USDT was going to buy. Okay, did buy for a bit of time, and this could have been a great opportunity. This is a great opportunity if you closed your trade early. All right. Uh, well, I didn't actually give this trade to my premium members. Okay, so but if I did, I would have told them to close the trade when the market was approaching this fair value gap. All right. So this is one of the things you need to be careful of when you are trading, and this is the reason why you see it's similar to what we had earlier on, Euro NZD. Okay, remember on Euro NZD when I showed you the chart, I said we took the trade on in our premium group yesterday, and I just told them to close when I saw how the market was actually moving. All right, because anywhere we have a huge fair value gap, the market can get to the fair value gap and then continue its trend. Okay, so the market can get into the fair value gap and then continue its trend. So if I had seen this early, I would have encouraged everyone to go off the trade. All right, just as I did in the trade I sent to the premium group. So if we check on NZD USD right now, you see we had similar thing going on here, and that is why I had told them, to go off the trade for now, and let's see, how the market is going to react to the level. If the market breaks the level, then we can take our buy entry. If not, then we will just continue to trade the market to the downside. All right. But in most cases, the market will want to, go down further and go look for another, liquidity to purge. All right. So I don't want us to be the liquidity, and that is why I told everyone to go off this trade. Okay. So let's go back to BNB USDT, guys. I think we have analysis on XAUSD. Yeah. Okay. So the market is still. Oh yeah. I sent this to the group already. All right, so BNB USDT, BNB USDT. Let's go to the higher time frame. I think this is going to continue to go down since there's a liquidity purge in several zones. Okay, I think the market will continue to go down until it gets to another level of liquidity, where we have maybe after breaking liquidity we have a fair value gap or a change, a fair value gap or an order block, right? So right now what we have here is a break of structure. So let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's say if the break of structure complements anything, maybe like a change of character or yes, okay, yeah, it did. Yeah, okay. So on the 15 minutes time frame, actually we have this liquidity purge. Okay, we have this liquidity purge, and this is our change of character. So I'm still going to show you how this looks from the lower time frame. All right. So now let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So it doesn't look good. Let me just draw another one. Okay. So we have a change of character here. All right. So we have a change of character, and the next thing to look out for is point of interest. Okay. So the market had previously reversed from this point. Okay. So this is mitigated. Yeah. Do we have any other level? There's no level here. All right. So we have fair value gap. Okay. So what I'm doing here right now is called a top-down analysis. All right. So top-down analysis is very good. Nothing comes easy. If you want to make money from the forex market, you need to learn how to make analysis. And trust me, if you know how to make your top-down analysis, your winning rates will be very good. All right. So these are our different level of mitigations. Yes. And the last one is this level. So we have the fair value gap, then we have the order block. So this is the order block. I think the market is currently retesting the fair value gap. Okay. So this is the fair value gap right here. It's a very small fair value gap though, but still got the market, tripping. All right. So yes, the market actually went into the fair value gap. But I'm expecting the market to go into the order block and then make reversal. Okay, so this is how to make top-down analysis. You have to, look deep into the market, try to figure out what the market has done in the past and what is likely to happen in the future. So this way, you'll be able to, easily predict the market direction, and your winning rate will be very high. All right. So guys, this session is scheduled for 1 hour. So I started at exactly 10 a.m. and I ought to have ended it when it was 11, but I had to, finish my analysis. And because I didn't know that I was on a mute earlier, I have to reverse everything I said before. So guys, but we are done with all the analysis here now. You can replicate everything here. You can just take a screenshot. This is BNB USDT, and try doing it in your own chart. So when the market comes back to this level, you can decide to take a sell trade when you get a good reversal. All right. So that will be all for today, guys. I'll see you again on our next live trading session. And then we have a Telegram question and answer session by 11:30 a.m. All right. So guys, join me by then. If you have any question or you have an inquiry to make, join me on the live Telegram live. So you'll be able to hear me and I'll be able to hear you. All right. So we'll be able to communicate better. I'll see you all on the Telegram live. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.